Hello viewers, welcome to Eklavy Academy. In this video, we are going to see what is the output of the following source code in Python language. Here the code is given. Input random, values equal 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. Then begin is equal random dot randint of 1, 3. Last is equal random dot randint of 2, 4. Then for I in range of begin comma last plus 1. Then print of values of I comma end is equal to hyphen. Okay. So what will be the output for this program? We will see. So here we import the module random, because in our program we are using the randint function, which means we are going to generate the random numbers. So that's why we imported the module random here. Okay, so after that we created the list. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. So it is assigned to the variable values. Next one is begin. So random dot randint of 1, 3. Okay, so the random number generated by this function is assigned to the variable begin. So here also the random number generated by the function within the specified range 2 to 4. Okay, so that is assigned to the variable last. Okay, for I in range of begin comma last plus 1. So the range of function takes the values from the variable begin and last. Okay, so the values printed by the for loop is totally depends on the random numbers generated by the randint function. Okay, so we will see the output in the IDLE. Save the program and click run module. See here, now the output is 30, 40, 50. So 30, 40, 50 means, so this is 0, 1, 2. Okay, so which means the begin value is 2. Then last plus 1. So the last value generated by this one is 4 plus 1 means it is 5. But it executes still 4 only. So 30, 40 and 50. Okay, so again we run the program. So this time this one generate only two values, 30 and 40. Okay, so again we try the program. Now we get the different output. Okay, so the output of this program depends on the random numbers generated by the randint function. So I hope everyone understand this one. Thank you all.